With institutions around the world suffering from the impacts of the pandemic, a lifelong mutually beneficial relationship with your alumni can create value at all levels.
Our expert speaker, Dr. Maria Gallo, who is a TEDx speaker and passionate about alumni connection. Maria has over 20 years experience in higher education and advancement leadership.
We need to kind of get into that mindset about how alumni are partners with the international education experience.
This workshop will help you to reflect on the value of alumni engagement and involvement and embed this into your strategic plans. Consider how alumni can become international education partners, help you increase your international student numbers, and learn best practice examples to help your institution.
On the second day of the workshop, Erasmus University Rotterdam will offer practical applications of how best to engage with your alumni to make a difference in areas such as international student recruitment, engagement, and fundraising.
And of course, there's always something for you to walk away with. And with this workshop, you'll be walking away with an action plan to increase the benefits that alumni bring to your institution's internationalisation strategy.
We look forward to seeing you at the workshop.